What's up YouTube, it's Manny. It's a little bit about today. Gonna fix Evo's exhaust. So there's a little exhaust leak on there that's pissing me off, so it's time to fix that. Currently what I have on there is a Buschur, small diameter. Sounds amazing, sounds mean. I absolutely recommend it, but time to fix that. So I hit up my boy, he said what's up, and I told him, can I bring this over? He said he's gonna fix it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Hopefully I take it off here soon, bring it over, I'll show you guys along the way what he's gonna be doing. Amazing welder, so enjoy the content. Peace.